continue as guest. I've never Valentine's Day. Ooh, why do I look so confused? I'm just woken up and I'll show you outside. Hello. And it's been so loud, so I'm very tired, but oh, hello. Hello. Did you just get out of bed? Did you just get out of bed? Hello. Sorry, I got distracted. They were like nice and in their bed. But I'm just gonna make some breakfast for everyone. There's a fry that's already out and I'm up really nice and early. So I'm just gonna do that. Sorry, I was over my dog. I'm not gonna film it because it's not that exciting. And I'm planning to make like little pastries as well for lunch. No, it's not playtime. No. I'll make some pastries for lunch and some shortbread biscuits because they're my mom's favorite. Like not the butter ones. I'll put like a picture here. Right now, I'm gonna get dressed. It's like 8:30, so I might time lapse a tiny bit. Probably the shortbread biscuits because that's more like appealing than the savoury food. Because I have no idea what I'm doing for it on like the pastry. We just had to use up some chicken. I don't know if this is like nothing to do with Valentine's. Happy Valentine's Day. I'm having a day for myself. I'm sorry. Having a ball. Are you playing? Oh, you're putting that in your bed. Good girl. She absolutely loves, sorry. I love you. I do. Yeah. She loves sleeping with a toy. She's so cute like that. Oh, you too. It's Molly and Brandy snuggling. Good girl. Anyway, I'm going to do that. The intro I am going to look different, but I just woken up now and I'm going to watch RuPaul's Drag Race. I'm loving it. Sorry, this weather's bad. Excuse me, not today. And hopefully tomorrow I have a video out. I'm trying. It's just sometimes I look at stuff and I hate it. I look at it and I hate it. So, but today's all about love, and I'm going to love it. Yes, that's the plan anyway. And I'm going to watch some movies. Yes, we are, and I'm going to dress nice. Oh, it's so cold today though. I'm still going to dress nice, do my hair and makeup, feel the way I want to feel, and I'll just wear this dressing gown over it. I always wear dressing gowns. I'd be wearing the most stunted, lovely outfit. Yes, I'd be wearing a dressing gown underneath it. Over it. Morning brain. Okay, I better go because that oven is preheating. And I do not want to be that little dog. And I won't be saying this time. She's dressed. It's cold. It's cold. I done a little bit of makeup, like a little bit of concealer, blush, and eyeshadow on it. Like that. I fell asleep like straight away after making. haven't made the biscuits yet. Start right after making the rest. So this is what I'm wearing. I might change. I don't know. Sometimes I change several times a day because that's the only thing I like to do now in quarantine. So I'm wearing a black. I keep moving. I'm wearing a black leather blazer such like jacket, coat such jacket. Like, oh my god, my battery's dying. It's kind of like a love heart. I tried.
On a un besoin de stabilité et de retrouver ses racines.
Hello, my name's Sinead. I'd never introduced myself in this vlog. Hello, my name's Sinead. Welcome. I haven't really described what's happening in the next few clips other than the little title card that you just saw there. New hair and baking. But I am baking because I'm planning like a virtual picnic kind of thing with my friends. So how we're doing it is it's basically just Zoom and we get our favorite snacks, but we're calling it a picnic. Yeah. I was like looking through clips. It's like I don't think I full on explained. I was like, yeah, I'm going on a virtual picnic. Like I didn't explain anything. So yeah, that's what's kind of happening. The clips that you're going to see right now, I'm just preparing. It's the day before. Then I hope that makes sense. Ooh, it's sunny. It's sunny. It's sunny. I mean, don't mind. Hold on. I mean, very happy with the sunshine. We're going to hear. Hold on, will we go outside? Oh, I'm so delighted. I have not seen sunshine in several days. Feels like weeks. Wait, the doggies? Hello doggies. Can I go outside? Excuse me. Oh, I know. Oh. What's wrong, Manny? You gonna head back out? It's lovely out. Lovely, only a bit of wind. Go on. Out you go. Out. What was I saying? Ooh. Okay, so I have got my hair done today. Just kind of got the roots done and got a fringe put in again. It is Thursday and tomorrow is when we're having the picnic, but I'm going to make the cake now because I think I have plans tomorrow. So it's like a 2-day kind of thing. I might make some biscuits as well. I don't know how much butter we have, so I might do that tomorrow. I'm definitely, we have a cake mix, so I'm going to do that. I'm really loving this ring. It's a little daisy. Got an ASOS. I don't know if they still do it because it was like in December. Oh my god, I'm so happy. So sunny because it was really cloudy today. It's been cloudy so ages. I'm going to do that and prepare. I know, I'm rubbing you. We have the cake. nice flowery blouse. I have the cake here. Half is gone. Half my family were like, delish. And I gave some to my nanny and granda. And the biscuits are all gone from last night. But I have some other stuff. I just need to tidy. We're about to start. The yells are getting already. I also got my drink. I just have a sip. Come on. So I'm just going to get it all set up. Kitty. She's here. Never been on it before. This is so exciting. I really would recommend doing this. Why is my computer just like not having it? So much. Too much. Come on, gals. I didn't do much. I literally just put mascara on and I got it on my eyelid and a bit of lip gloss. Bit of lip gloss, gals. Bit of lip gloss. That out a shot. Bit of lip gloss. Do I need? Oh, the camera is covered. I'm so excited. Oh, continue as guest. I've never used this before. Hello?
I can't see you.
Hold on. I'm setting it up.
One day she will join.
I'm joining. Sorry, hello?
Oh. You look so cute.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, here.
Wait, it's so hard to set up because it's like, hold on, several buttons you have to click.
I'm just too good at finding things that are difficult for everyone. Texas decided to do this because they personally regulate their... I don't think so, girl.
No, it's that song.
I can't remember it. But moral of the story, he's in a class full of like 16-year-olds, even though they're all in their 20s. And he's their teacher, and he turns around to Brittany, and it's like, I want to sex you up. Oh, that's fun.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. New. Okay, hold on. 1. Oh wait, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and then I gave my mom one and I had one, so 32 biscuits. Don't ask me why. I was like, use up all the butter. I was like, okay, I will. It's 11 o'clock. It's procrastinating because I didn't want to do my room, isn't it? It is. What is with this light? Can I move it? Can I block it? Can I just... That works. Goes clean. I have been eating it. You're in your blankie? You're in your blankie? Oh. Okay. Just got a package. Thought I'd open it. I did tear this off before I decided why not do a cheeky vlog. Also don't mind my hair. Oh, you just can't see. I just got some. Hold on. Oh, you just can't tell. Some tarot cards. This is the Sacred Self-Care Oracle, and this is the Harmony Nice Tarot.